Good, my beautiful people, it's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's goody, what's good, guys? It is Friday, so you know what's going on today. Shout out to TCP and shout out to my econ guys for delivering those direct deposits today. You know, it's a beautiful thing to be online, especially right now with Christmas coming. And I definitely wanted to talk about, you know, some ways that you can make an additional income. And guys, what I put together here, and I'm gonna actually have the link right up under this video. So if you're looking for a way to get paid right away, you know, you don't want to wait a week, you don't want to go through that whole process, then I have something for you. You know, up front, first income stream, you can earn anywhere between $25 to $2,000 up front, okay? Paid directly into your PayPal, paid directly into your Payza, your bank account, whatever. Secondly, the second income stream, you get a residual income. So this income stream is actually going to be the same product too, as well, that's going to run your system here. So the first income stream is a digital product, pretty much. You know, it's going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing, everything that you're going to need to know to master making money online. So we're going to get you all squared away with that side, okay? And then on the third income stream, you're going to have something to pretty much give to your customers. So, you know, for them is a thank you for either joining or, you know, for them to even preview before they even join your business. So I pretty much set this up for you guys, and I have a whole funnel in the end where it shows you how to tie it together, some marketing strategies right at the end as well to get you going. So I pretty much put this together for some people that wanted to get paid right now, and especially for the potential new person that's looking to make an additional income online, that doesn't know what to do, doesn't know where to start. I put this together pretty much for you guys because it's going to help you out. So this is not anything where, you know, you're jumping in and you're trying to convince people to join this, because there's no point in, I don't want you chasing people. I want you to learn how to become the, you know, the person that they got the info, okay? And with the way we show you how to do that is with videos, things like this that I'm doing, you know. So I tell you, don't be scared. Let's go ahead and start, you know, pull out the camera, pull out your phone, and start shooting videos. This is how we do it, and we utilize the marketing methods that we learn in these particular income streams as well, okay? So guys, I'm gonna leave the link at the bottom here. I mean, I'm giving you pretty much a system that I've already put together. You just need to plug into the income streams and go through the training as far as setting up your funnel. And guys, let's get on. Let's get to the money, man. There's a lot of money out here to be made, and it's up to you to go get it, okay? So I don't want to hold you guys up. I don't want to make this video very long here today. I just wanted to kind of share some information with you and just show you some proof here of people making money with these income streams, okay? So guys, this is going to be real. This is a lot of money to be made. Tap in, get involved. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day.